I want to give you some help here. Recording transaction in the Eauation, $70,000 cash. You're going to add to cash, and the credit goes to the owner. Check answer. Good job. Next one, bought a computer on account. That would go under the equipment account here. And you're not paying cash, you're owing. So you create a $10,000 credit to the creditor under accounts payable. Check answer. Well done. Next, paid a personal telephone bill. Okay, personal money that comes out of the business is charged to the withdrawals account. So you're going to charge in $250 to the withdrawals account, which of course reduces the owner's equity account. And he's using cash, checkbook, $250. So I think we have to put, I hope we have to put a minus, I think we have to put a minus sign in there. Okay, let's give that a shot. Okay, so I think you have to put minus signs in, guys. Next one here, received cash. That's a revenue transaction. That's what we're in business for, to sell our services. So we're going to add, chapter 2, we're going to be debiting cash to add to cash, 13.9. And you'll have a separate revenue account coming up in chapter 2. It's an addition to the revenues. So that's 13.9. So it's a plus and a plus. Keeping the equation in balance at all times. Did that one right. Next one, billed customers. That means we're not getting the dough now. We're going to collect later. 29,200 is added to amounts that are owed to us from services, which are called accounts receivable. So 29,200 is added to the asset accounts receivable, and we're going to credit and add to the revenue account column here, 29.2. Okay, check answer. Good job. And paid for the current rent expense. Well, that's coming out of cash, isn't it? So put the minus sign in there. I think you do. I think you have to. So might as well. Oops, what did I do here? Let me fix that. Okay, so that's just a minus sign. It's not 1,000, it's what, 4,000? Okay, so we take and then we have to charge the expense, okay? We're actually adding to the expense account, so we're not reducing expense, we're accumulating expenses. Next chapter, you'll have a separate account for rent expense. But right now, you're adding to rent expense, so that in its own field is a positive, okay? Which reduces the right side of the equation. It reduces owner's equity. You see what I mean? Minus 4,000. I think I did it right. And salary expense. Again, supplies expense. If they use the word paid, they're talking using cash. So, and what we're gonna do is incur a supply expense account. So for supplies that we bought and used up right away, 1490 is that being added to the expenses, and the 1490 is coming out of cash. So we'll minus 1490. I think we're okay there. All right, and then are we done? Okay, so all right, so let's just I think we're done. All right, similar question. I guess I got 100 in that. I guess I don't know what you have to do at this point. Copy and edit, show answer, similar question. That would take me to another question. I'm inside of the instructor's manual here. Okay, so at any rate, I think you'll be, that would be helpful to you. And I should have showed this. There are your transactions listed. All right, guys, the $70,000 investment. We add it to cash and capital, computer on account. We add it to the computer, the asset, computer, equipment. Add it to that, add it to the accounts payable account, and etc. So if I showed the completed problem, when you look at this in your final solution would look like that, okay? A, B, C, D. If this is the same problem, yeah, I think so. Okay, guys. All right, I think that that should help you. Thank you. Review it.